What's up, YouTube? This is Crystal Ababon again with another video. Today is a tutorial on how to record your iPhone screen and what happens when you upload it to YouTube. So the very first thing you want to do is go to Settings, then go to Control Center, then you want to go to Customize Controls. And once you're here, there's two different sections, Include and More Controls. I'm already recording, so mine is in the Include already. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that so you guys can see it in the More Controls section. This is what you'll look for, screen recording. Then you click on the plus sign, then it'll be included in your Include section. So once you have that there, then you wanna swipe from the top right into the center, and you'll see your Control Center, and it'll be on the very bottom, a new icon, and that is your screen recorder. You can see mine is recording already, but when you have yours, you just click on it. It'll do a countdown of 3, and then you know you're recording because you'll see the top left section will have a red bar. And on the microphone, you just hold the record button for about 3 seconds and it'll pop up. Then you turn it off or turn it on, whatever you want it to do. All right, for some reason, when you screen record with the microphone on and you upload it to YouTube or you upload it to iMovie, it does not recognize the microphone. So I looked up different videos on YouTube to find out how to fix it. And a lot of people said to re-record with the microphone off. But what happens is when you do that, it shows up a lot smaller. Let me show you. So this is my son's little gaming video that he uses on my phone, that he does on my phone. And it showed up a lot smaller, and I didn't want to do that. I didn't want it to be a lot smaller than it already was. So I use voice memo. So I used his phone, open up the voice memo, and open up his video, his gaming video, and then recorded it over again. So then after that, I uploaded it back, his original video, into iMovie. And then when you hit the plus sign, you just click on voice over. And then at the same time, you hit record and then play on your voice memo. And you just let it sit there and record everything. And it comes out like this.
Today we're going to try to get a lot.
And then that's it for today, guys. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And I hope this video was very helpful for you. Again, I'll see you in the next video.